Well, hello everybody, welcome back with me, you know me, I'm Kevin, and today I'm gonna show you how I made this dolphin animation and how I brought it into the real world. First, I created the 3D model using the reference picture I took. The model is split into 3 parts, the fins, eyes, and the body. Next, I rigged the animation using an armature, and the vertex groups I just used an automatic weights. The entire animation is just a 40 frame loop. As for how I made it come out of my monitor, first I used the replica of my room and then aligned the Blender's camera to the video that I've recorded recently. Then I just got rid of everything, and now I am left with this part. From here, I just added a green screen, and there you go. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.